In this video, we will recap the key takeaways from this section of the course. First, we learned about structures, aka structs. Each variable inside of a struct is called a member. Also, structs can have members of different types, unlike other data structures we learned about, like arrays and vectors. Then we learned about classes. Classes are the cornerstone feature of any object-oriented programming language. We refer to the variables inside of a class as attributes. When we instantiate a class, we call the instantiation of the class an object. Next, we learned about enumerations, aka enums. An enum is a type defined by the programmer, and each possible value of the enum gets mapped to an integer value, which starts at 0 by default. After that, we learned about the difference between declaring and defining variables and functions. Declaring a variable is when we specify the type and name of the variable. Defining it means assigning it a value. Then we learned about separate compilation. Separate compilation is a concept that means C++ code sees only the declarations of the types and functions used from other files, and that their definitions are stored in the source files that get compiled separately. Finally, we learned about namespaces. A namespace allows us to group code together, and we can create a namespace using the namespace keyword. Furthermore, we can import a namespace with the using keyword.